Hello, my name is Celia Brown, and I'm the Regional Advocacy Specialist for the Office of Mental Health and with the Office of Consumer Affairs. Welcome to the 5th Annual New York City Conference for Working Peer Specialists. Our theme this year is Brave New Worlds, Advancing Peer Support Through Technology. On behalf of the Planning Committee for the 15th Annual Conference, we're excited to bring you another great event. Like last year, the conference will be virtual through Zoom, so you'll need access to a computer or technology to be able to tune in. And through the generous support of our sponsors, the conference is free of charge, but you will need to pre-register to attend. I'll cover that in just a minute. The conference will be held on 2 days, Thursday, July 22nd, and Thursday, July 29th. The keynote and workshops will be broadcast live between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. each day. Our keynote presenter on July 22nd is Peggy Schwarbick, and on July 29th is Jeffrey McQueen. More information about the workshops for each day will be provided in the conference program. You'll need to pre-register for the conference through Eventbrite to receive notifications and the conference program when it's available. Here's how you can pre-register for the conference. On the announcement, click Register Now. This will open up a registration program called Eventbrite. On this screen, you will pre-register for the conference to receive email and the conference program, which will contain the links you will use to access the conference on Zoom. When you click the green register button, the Eventbrite screen, the next screen is where you will indicate the number of people you want to pre-register. To pre-register yourself, just leave the number in the drop-down box at 1 and click the red register button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to pre-register more people than yourself, use the drop-down box currently set to 1 to indicate the number of people up to 10 you will be pre-registering. Each person needs to receive a unique link to attend the conference, so you will need to provide each person's name, email address, job title, and the name of the company where they are working or volunteering to pre-register them. The next screen is to enter your contact information. Here you will provide your first name, last name, and email address. You need to enter your email address twice to be sure there's no mistake or typo. After you enter your contact information, you'll need to scroll down, use the gray bar to the right of where you're filling in the information to enter the pre-registration information. Eventbrite creates a ticket for each person who pre-registers for the conference. If you are pre-registering additional people, enter the information for each person under a separate ticket. Ticket 1, general admission. The email address you enter for the ticket is how you or anyone else you're pre-registering will receive the conference program and any other pre-conference instructions. Under ticket 1, general admission, enter your first name, last name, and email address. You will also need to enter your job title and the company where you're working. This is a conference for working peer specialists. If you're not working currently but are volunteering for an organization, you can enter volunteer or intern as a job title, and then the company where you're doing the volunteer work or internship. You must complete each entry box in order to complete the pre-registration. If you are pre-registering additional people, you will enter the information for each person under the separate tickets. When you have entered all of the required information, the red registration button at the bottom of the screen will be visible. Be sure to keep the first box checked to receive information from us about this conference. When you have entered all of the information for the pre-registration ticket or multiple tickets, if you are pre-registering more than one person, click the red registration button at the bottom of the screen. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen from Eventbrite. Be sure to check your email for the ticket. If you do not receive the ticket in your email, check your junk folder for a message from Eventbrite. It is important that you receive these messages because the conference program and your access to the conference will be sent by email to this address. We hope this information has been helpful for you to get pre-registered for the conference. Be sure to watch for email for Eventbrite about the conference, including the conference program, which you will need to use to access the conference on Zoom. Thank you. See you in July.